Hi, my name is Tiger. I'm a producer on Nifty, and today I'm going to show you how to make an adjustable pegboard shelf. My inspiration for this piece was that I was living in a place where I wasn't planted yet, so I knew I was going to move. But I wanted furniture, but I needed that furniture to grow with me. Hence, an adjustable pegboard shelf, because it adjusts to my lifestyle, to my needs, and whatever new things that I gather. So in the video, I used the hole saw, and for the hole saw, I had to flip the board over so that the wood wouldn't split. But you can also use a Forstner bit, and that might work better for your needs. In the video, I showed you guys that you can use it for gardening, for the kitchen, for the living room. I personally used it for my bedroom because that's where I hang out the most. It's mainly used as a catch-all. You can use it for your keys, for your hats, for your clothes, for your books, for your plants. It's a shelf. You can throw whatever you want on it, and any size can fit on it because each shelf is adjustable. You may also cut the holes to the exact size as your dowel, but then your dowels may vary by sizes just by like a little bit. So just in case the dowel doesn't fit in the hole, I just stuck it in the hole and I just used a hammer to make sure it fits in there. You may find other alternatives for the tube straps. I personally like the tube straps because they fit tightly around the pegs and they're made out of metal, so you know they're gonna last a really long time. Yeah, I don't know. I like the tube strap. It's very hip. Okay, cool. I used a ton of washers for the video, but you could just use thicker washers. The thin ones are just what I had available and they did work at the time. But when you're hanging up the shelf, I recommend taping a leveler on the top edge of your shelf because then you can actually see if it's leveled or not. Put it up against the wall, make the marks where you need to drill, and then put in your wall anchors, and then secure it to the wall just as normal with the wall anchor. So my inspiration was just my lifestyle of not being planted at the time. So this pegboard shelf is great for someone that is trying to maximize their space, that's trying to keep things very adaptable, that's trying to keep their space living. They have a lot of uses and they don't know where to put everything. So this shelf is great for that because it conforms to whatever your needs are. Also, it's just super stylish. Put it in your apartment, let people see your shelf. You know, how often do you get to say like, look at my shelf? Never, probably never.
That's perfect.
Cool. Cool, true. Who says that? No one said, look at my shelf.
Oh my god. Y'all got a dopest shelf, bro. You need to
Exactly.
come to my room right
Check
now.
out my shelf. Look, bro, it grows.
Alright, that's perfect.